Masquera saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karibu kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kama chungwa subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe tavigira nya buditswa na President Emerson NaMnangagwa avabuda bachi expressa kufara ne ma preparations arikuitwa ne Zimbabwe mukuhosta kwairuda kuita the Southern African Development Community Summit yorikuitwa this month. Abuda vachara ivo vachiti as the new Sadc Chairperson, you make sure to promote regional peace and sovereignty. Zimbabwe NaMnangagwa Abuda vachara is going to do this as soon as assume Sadc chairmanship. Abuda vachara vachiti we take pride in that in a few days to come, our nation will host the 44th Ordinary Sadc Summit of Heads of State and Government. Thereafter, we assume chairmanship of our sub-regional body, which is key lever for defending our collective peace and sovereignty. Now, the Sadc flag, together with our national flag and alongside those of sister republics, have been hoisted in readiness for the glorious occasion, serves as a symbol of the common history and shared future we have as a united and indivisible Sadc region. As descendants of Mutapa, we are ready to rise and shine as we carry the mantle of our founding fathers and forebears. Presently, there are concerted efforts to reverse the gains of our protracted liberation struggle. These attacks take many forms, including peddling falsehoods about our country. It is a shame that there is a deliberate and foreign-funded campaign which is void of the evidence and an unprecedented success milestone we are witnessing across every facet of the society and economy. We shall never be deterred or discouraged. We are marching forward ever, backwards never. During the burial a national hero Jack Mpofu at the national shrine for Zimbabwe, we make sure kuti vachasuma chairmanship with Sadc vachawanikwa vachipromota regional peace ne sovereignty. Tisingazive kuti noona sei nyaya iyi kwatiri kuita the Sadc Secretariat yakabuda ichiconfirma kuti President Emerson NaMnangagwa is going to be the chairman with Sadc. Vakabuda in a press statement yavakareleasa vachitaura nyaya iyi vachitaurayo vachiti Sadc to hold the 44th Summit of Head of States and Government in Harare, Republic of Zimbabwe on 17 August 2024. On the Southern African Development Community, Sadc will hold the 44th Ordinary Summit of Heads of State and Government in Harare, Republic of Zimbabwe on 17 August 2024. The 44th Southern African Development Community Summit will be held under the theme Promoting Innovation to Unlock Opportunities for Sustained Economic Growth and Development towards an Industrialized Sadc. The theme calls for the region to collectively harness science, technology, and innovation to support the modernization and the industrialization of the Southern African Development region. During the 44th Southern African Development Community Sadc, His Excellency Emerson NaMnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, will take over the chairmanship of Sadc from His Excellency Mr. João Manuel Lourenço, President of the Republic of Angola. Among some of the key issues, the 44th Sadc Summit will receive the report of the Chairperson of the organ on politics, defense and security cooperation, review progress on the implementation of the priorities of the Sadc regional indicative strategic development plan, receive update of the food security and the impact of the El Nino induced drought and floods in Sadc regions, and progress on the implementation of the 43rd Sadc Summit theme, which is human and financial capital, the key drivers for sustainable industrialization in the Sadc region. In the Sadc region, the Sadc Summit is responsible for the overall policy direction and control of functions of the community, ultimately making it the policy-making institution of Sadc. The ordinary Sadc Summit is held every year and is attended by heads of state and government from the Sadc member states. The opening and closing ceremonies of the 44th Sadc Summit will be broadcast live on 17th August 2024 by the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation, ZBC, which can be accessed on digital satellite television, DSTV 280. For broadcasters that would like to get the clean feed from ZBC, details on the coordinates will be provided in due course. The 44th Sadc Summit will be preceded by the following meetings: the 7th Sadc Industrialization Week from 28 July to 2 August, Harare International Conference Center, Senior Officials and Finance Committee meeting from 8 to 11 August, New Parliament Building, Sadc Council of Ministers meeting, 13 to 14 August, New Parliament Building, Sadc and Arab Bank for Economic Development in Africa, Investments Forum and Exhibition, 14 August, Harare International Conference Center, Sadc Public Lecture, 15 August, University of Zimbabwe, Diamond Lecture Theatre, Sadc Organ Troika Ministerial Committee and Sadc Organ Troika Summit, 16 August, New Parliament Building, visit Geopulmonary Waste Management and Museum of the African Liberation on 18 August. As can the Sadc in brief, Sadc is an organization of 16 member states established in 1980 as the Southern African Development Coordinating Conference, and later in August 1992 transformed into the Southern African Development Community. The mission of Sadc is to promote sustainable and equitable economic growth and socio-economic development through efficient, productive systems, deeper cooperation and integration, good governance, and durable peace and security, so that the region emerges as a competitive and effective player in international relations and the world economy. Member states are Angola, Botswana, Comoros, Democratic Republic of Congo, Eswatini, Lesotho, Madagascar, Malawi, Mauritius, Mozambique, Namibia, Seychelles, South Africa, United Republic of Tanzania, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. So this letter was issued by the Sadc Secretariat on 30 July 2024 from Gaborone, Botswana. Ndo zabuda mu press statement yabuditswa ne the Sadc Secretariat muri Zimbabwe. Chiro kuti it's now official kuti the president of Zimbabwe Vachagadzwa is the chairman of Sadc muri Zimbabwe.